RV mirror at all. Okay, it doesn't rhyme, but I still need to find a mirror for my RV. I'm taking you with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and this is the day. This is the day we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger and find the right side mirror for my RV. Now you may remember before I got here to Northeast Wisconsin, I had to store my RV in Florida. That's where I started RVing and that's where my rig was before I got here. For the most part, everything went well when it was in storage there, except for one thing. Yep. The right side mirror at some point got hit and it was broken.
Buddy, there she is.
Still wrapped and covered just the way I left her. Let's take a quick walk around. I'm happy.
All right, so somebody obviously hit the RV. Damn it. The side mirror is broken. Okay, I was able to pop it into place temporarily. We'll have to see. Man, this part sucks. Now, I was able to patch it together and use it for the rest of the year, not only getting it back from Florida, but for the RV season. But now I really do need to get a right side mirror. I've been looking online for a long time, and today I'm finally going to pull the trigger and get the replacement mirror. Now, this is an RV repair that I think I can do by myself, so we'll go ahead and we'll order it. We'll wait till it gets here, and one of the things that we'll be doing this season is replacing that mirror. So we're going to go ahead and start working on it. So I have a Velvac mirror. This is the manufacturer's information on it, and they give you a couple of different models, but my model isn't listed here. It's a good thing I took a screen grab of my right side mirror underneath. That's where the serial number was and the information. I have a different model number. We're going to take that model number, go online. I've looked at a couple places on eBay, and I think we can find a pretty decent deal on that mirror. So let's go ahead and start looking. Okay, so we have a screen grab of my computer, and let's start looking at what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is the type of mirror that I have. It's the Velvac 713802 right side black deluxe heated remote head mirror. This is what it has, and this one has it at 238 74 1631 with shipping at the buy now price. This one 275, which basically comes out to the exact same thing. And you can see it here. This one looks good. For right now, I'm just going to add this to the watch list. Okay, so let's pick this up again. And, okay, again, this is the mirror that looks like the one we want. We're going to go ahead, add it to the watch list. So let's go back up. Let's check to see if there are another couple of things. A couple of mirrors. Okay, we're going to keep scrolling down. Now, if I needed a pair of mirrors, this looks like it's probably a pretty good deal, but I don't need a pair. I just need the one. And we'll go ahead and we'll put this one also on watch. That's the 234. So we're going to also just check. Okay, so we're also going to check a couple of other places just to see
if they have some parts and what the cost is. This is Pacific RV mirrors. Let's check that one out. Looks like the same thing, $265, free shipping. It almost looks like the identical one that I have. Okay, so that's one. And then, let's see. This looks like a Velvet thing, and this is their original price. Look at this. This is, so if you go straight from them, it's $361.73. So we're going to try and look elsewhere if we can, just to make sure to see if it might show up someplace else. All right, let's just check this one out. Find parts. And there it is, $361. So it looks like I've got a pretty good deal on eBay. Let's just check Amazon just in case. Amazon. Go ahead. Put the part number in there. And there's one, $295. There's another one that's not quite the one, $219, but it's again not the right one. And then here's one. It looks like this is probably the left side, $295. So it looks like we have a pretty good deal on eBay. Go back to that one.
Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content you're seeing here on the channel, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, when a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away.
So $238 if I buy it now, and then there's shipping with that, which is $1631. So when I do the math real quick, and I'm using a calculator, because my math skills aren't that great, 238 74 plus 1631 is 255. It is less expensive than the 275 buy it now. So we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger and get this one right here. And we're going to buy it now. I always get nervous when these happens. Add to cart. Go to cart. Just make sure everything is set. 255. That's the total I had. We're gonna go ahead and go to checkout. This is what we have. We'll go ahead with taxes. It'll come out to $269.08, which is still better. Estimated delivery Thursday, March 11th. That's okay. We can live with that. We're going through. Your order is in, and I should get it by Thursday, March 11th. Bingo.
So there you have it. We pulled the trigger. We actually got the right side mirror. It's on its way. Again, I still get nervous when I spend any kind of money, and almost $300 for a mirror makes me a little nervous, but it's something that I need for the RV, and it's just a part of the whole RVing experience. Again, when I get it, I'm going to put it in, and I'll take you through the whole process as we do it. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, get those parts in that you need to fix up your rig, and then go out and enjoy the great outdoors. We'll see you next time.